children.
Hello, children. I am so happy to see you again. Today, I will tell you about something amazing that helps us every day: artificial intelligence, or AI. Thanks to it, our AI town is full of wonderful things that make our lives easier and safer. Are you ready for an adventure? Let us begin. On the Sky platform, Parrot Drone and Cyber Hedgehog met. Parrot Drone wondered if artificial intelligence was a robot that cooks soup and cleans the house, while Hedgehog thought it might be magical glasses that see through walls. It was funny to hear their guesses. I had to explain to them that artificial intelligence is a smart way for devices and robots to learn by themselves and help people. In the quiet zone, hidden among digital trees, Neuropony and Laser Peacock talked about how they use artificial intelligence every day. Pony proudly said that his smartwatch always reminds him when to leave, so he is never late for class. Peacock shared that he uses artificial intelligence to create pictures that pick colors and shapes matching the viewer's mood. They were both happy to use artificial intelligence in clever and creative ways. In the tunnel of thoughts, I met Hyper Elephant Pico Mouse. I asked them where you can find artificial intelligence. Elephant, who never forgets anything, thought for a moment and said, AI helps in many places, like stores, schools, and even hospitals, where it supports people in making smart choices. Pico Mouse, always quick and full of energy, added excitedly that AI is also in smartphones, watches, and even toys. Thanks to it, everything works faster, better, and sometimes even more fun. I listened happily. They really understood what artificial intelligence is and how much it is already part of our daily lives. Children, today's adventure showed how important artificial intelligence is in our everyday life. Thanks to it, we can travel safely, learn things quickly, and create amazing things that once seemed impossible. Remember, AI is our helper, but we teach it how to help us. See you next time in our wonderful AI town.